Hello everyone, my name is Faustina and today I'll be presenting my proposed IT strategy for Amazon with a main focus on how enterprise resource planning or ERP systems can drive business excellence. We'll look at Amazon's current ERP setup, where they are headed, and what strategic steps are needed to get there. So, for starters, Amazon's mission and vision is to be Earth's most customer-centric company. With their massive product range and global delivery network, technology plays a critical role in managing operations. Enterprise systems like ERP are essential for handling the complexity of this scale, from tracking inventory to streamlining procurement and financials. So moving on to the next slide, what is ERP? ERP it stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Basically, it is a software system that integrates major business functions like finance, HR, inventory, and supply chain, all in all into one platform. Think of it as a digital nervous system. It gives Amazon real time data to operate smoothly across departments and make quick but informed decisions. Now, in order to give you a little context on Amazon's current ERP, basically Amazon uses SAP ERP, meaning this is one of the most advanced and widely used enterprise systems in the world. SAP ERP helps manage key business functions such as finance, human resources, procurement, and inventory, all in one unified system, as mentioned in the previous slides. Now, when we say it's integrated with AWS, that means the ERP system is hosted on Amazon Web Services, their own cloud computing platform. Instead of running ERP software or physical servers, Amazon uses the cloud to store data, process transactions, and scale operations on demand. This integration provides flexibility, speed, and reduced infrastructure costs. However, even with this powerful setup, challenges still exist. For example, there was an instance where a high demand item, like a new gaming console, for example, showed as in stock on the website, when in reality it had already sold out at the warehouse. The delay happened because the ERP system hadn't updated the inventory in real time. This kind of lag causes customer frustration. It can cause also cancellations and increased pressure on customer service that will have to be dealing with these people. It highlights how even advanced systems like SAP need continuous improvement, especially in a business as fast-paced as Amazon. Since we have already stated the context in which Amazon is living right now, existing at the moment, we'll focus on the future state vision. Amazon's future ERP environment is built on 4 priorities. First, it will be cloud native and integrated with AI to predict and automate decisions. Second, it will be agile and modular, allowing Amazon to adapt quickly to new business needs. Third, it will provide real-time analytics to optimize operations. And finally, it will support sustainability, tracking emissions, and aligning with Amazon's ESG goals. Now, in order to illustrate this idea, this vision as a real case scenario, here's a quick example. Imagine a snowstorm is forecasted in the Midwest. AI in Amazon's ERP predicts increased demands for heaters. The system immediately reroutes stock to affected areas, adjusts supplier need orders, and even switches to electric delivery trucks to reduce emissions. This shows how a smart, AI-driven ERP system enhances customer service while staying sustainable. Now you might be asking, how are we going to do that? What's the strategy? What are we doing? What's the plan? Here's a few of our initiatives. To reach this future state, Amazon needs to launch 4 main strategic initiatives. First one will be to upgrade the ERP with AI forecasting tools, as mentioned before. It will have to also unify data between ERP, CRM, and supply chain forms. Also, move to a modular ERP design for faster upgrades. And lastly, but not least, add an ESG module to track environmental and ethical metrics in real time. As any new plan or any new metrics, there is an implementation and risk management. This transformation will be rolled out in three phases. Phase one will mean assessing our current workflows and run AI pilot programs. You may see each phase and each timeline and each factor and each level, it's all interconnected. The first one is always like dealing with the workflow and the AI. Phase 2 migrates the old ERP model to the cloud and unify key data. Phase 3 is scales the system and deploy ESG tracking across all regions. Key risks include, of course, cybersecurity, migration hiccups, and over-reliance on one vendor. But Amazon can manage this through strong IT governance and contingency planning. In terms of resources and monitoring, the plan will require around like 80 to 120 million in investment for over 3 years, probably. It will involve Amazon's internal tech teams, external ERP consultants, and ongoing vendor support. Progress will be tracked through monthly dashboards, quarterly reviews, and annual performance evaluations. In conclusion, Amazon investment in an AI integrated modular ERP system will boost speed, accuracy, and sustainability. It will all align perfectly with their business goals of customer satisfaction, operational excellence, and innovation, helping them stay a global leader in e-commerce and logistics.